waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today's is kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no smog, and mama took the breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but didn't dig out. Finally got a call from a girl I wanna dig out. But you'll get up for later. I like the hand motion there. Where I live, another 24. I gotta go, cause I got me a drop top, and if I hit the switch, I could make the ass drop. Had to stop at a red light, looking in my mirror, not a jacket in sight, and everything is alright. I got a beat from Beth, and she can fuck all night. Called up the phone for some basketball. I don't play basketball. Get me on the court and I'm trouble. Last week, fucked around and got a triple-double. Freaking niggas every way like MJ. I gotta say, today was a good day. Shit!
Alright, I'm ready.